Hey guys, this is Heather with K-Time Restaurant Supply, and this week I'm showing y'all how to make an awesome Easter ham. I'm gonna start out with a ready-to-cook ham. This one's about 8 pounds or so. And I've just removed the netting from it, and we're going to start out by slicing it diagonally. We're going to make pretty diamond shapes in here, and we're going to go far enough to cut like through the fat, but not into the meat, you guys. We want to keep that meat unsliced. Now that we have our ham cut diagonally on the top, through the fat, we're going to make our basting sauce for it. We're going to start our sauce by adding a cup of apple cider vinegar to a pan. I'm going to let this reduce. While we do that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of thyme to 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Just mix that in a little bit. I'm going to let that set while our vinegar reduces. We're going to reduce the vinegar actually to 1 tablespoon. That's not 1 tablespoon yet. We've got a little ways to go. Now that our vinegar has pretty much reached that awesome state, we're going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar, our butter and thyme, a teaspoon of spicy brown mustard, and 1/4 of a cup of sweet, delicious honey. Now we're using some of the best honey in the world. Nice, delicious Tennessee mountain honey. Now if you can't get a hold of nice, delicious Tennessee mountain honey, you can always get honey from around your area. It's best to shop local for honey. You don't know if it's been outsourced where it's actually come from and what's in it, so it's best to go with in your area. Just going to stir that up, and we can take it off the heat now that it seems all nice and blended together there. Let's go back to our ham. Our next step with our ham is to lovingly baste it. We're going to use about, let's say, 2/3 of this mix on the ham. Oh, it's nice. It smells so good. I'm trying to get in those little cuts, you guys. I'm using my Easy baster, one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. This thing is just fantastic. It's silicone, so you don't have to worry about the heat messing with it. Oh. And its oval bristles actually catch more of the sauce than the round bristles you find on some silicone models. So it's very, very helpful tool. This smells just delicious, you guys. Okay, that should about do it. Now, depending on the size of your ham, it's going to cook longer or shorter. I have, like I said, about an 8 pound ham, and it's not fully cooked, so it'll probably have to go about 3.5 hours. We want to reach 160 with a meat thermometer. About halfway through, we're going to baste it again. So I guess I'll be seeing you then. going to baste again. This is our halfway point, and we're going to get that in those cuts we made earlier. Oh, it looks beautiful. It smells so good. Looking good, you guys. When it starts to get brown like this, we can use an aluminum foil like tint, like how you would do with like a turkey, and that will keep it from getting too brown too quickly. And that's what we're going to do next as well. Take your tint, put it on over, and add it back in. Alright, our ham is fresh out of the oven. Now we can let this rest until it is a little bit cooler. That way it's all nice and moist. I'm impatient, so I've decided to try it before it is all the way rested, just because I really like eating. Let's try this out. It's delicious. It's really juicy. Not too sweet. It's everything you want in an Easter ham. You guys have a great Easter. Eat a lot of chocolate.